Hello, my name is Nita. I'm from Canada. I came in Atmaneem. I love it. The nature, the people. Oh my God, it was so fantastic experience. I had it. All doctors, physiotherapists, they are working so hard for you, and registrations, administrations. I don't know how much I can tell you. Cook, house cleaning people, massage therapies. I really, really enjoyed in here. And I can tell you, everybody, when you're planning to come to Atmaneem, make sure you guys just fully वो कहते हैं ना कि just समर्पण हो जाना डॉक्टर्स और फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट को, then you will get the best result out of it. And I'm going here for, I'm really happy. Whatever I came from here, came for here, I have cure almost a 60%. Thank you very much, Atmanim, all the staff, the doctors, the therapists. I love you guys. Goodbye.